Guys, we're looking Total Parts Pro today about 2023 MGHS, stock number 7046. It's run from the 9th 2019 to the 12th 2024. Has an SAS 23 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the SAS 23 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,